We are going to start conjunctions. Our last two grammar topics. Conjunctions and clauses. And the syllabus that I have sent, that is just for, you can say, this not syllabus for your PT3, because their grammar and writing skills of PT3 will be included. PT1 and PT2 will be included. Okay, I have just sent for this time. Means you have to check whether we have completed, covered everything or not. That's all. What? Abhi kuch bhi nahi. If you have books, take it out, but we don't need books. Just the explanation part. Exercises you will do yourself. Gurnoor, bache, you move to that side. And Mehak, I hope you don't want to sit with Hardik. Paramjeet, I'm repeating, you have to write the names of the students if they change their seat in any period, including recess, break. This is the gift you get when you don't obey your class in charge. I have seen. So what are conjunctions? What are conjunctions, Prabal? Wait a second. Prabal, your roll number is? Angelina, your roll number is 4. Your seat is? Then? Reason? Angelina, why are you standing? You sit down. I don't think you have any problem. Yes, what are conjunctions? What? Words that join? That's all? 2 sentences? Words? Phrases? What are clauses? Pulkit, clauses? I'm asking. You have to answer. What is main clause? What are conjunctions? Example? What is conjunction here? Conjunction is? So, conjunctions, words that join, sentences, words, phrases, and clauses. Now, just in general sense, 2 types of conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunctions. Second, subordinating conjunctions. You have any idea? Coordinating conjunctions. In simple sentences, we usually don't have conjunctions. Types of sentences, you know types of sentences. Simple, compound, complex, right? Coordinating conjunctions are conjunctions that join compound sentences. Okay? means the sentences, the words, the phrases of equal grammatical unit. Okay, mostly independent in nature. Got it? दोनों का अपना अपना meaning होगा, and we just join using conjunctions. Usually for coordinating conjunctions we have this, if you remember. Fan boys last year किया था. What? Or sure. Now, in addition to these, we have neither nor already written, or already written. Okay, these are also coordinating conjunctions, because whenever we use these conjunctions, it means we are joining two sentences, two words, two clauses or phrases of equal grammatical unit. Both the sentences will convey proper, complete meaning. Is it okay? These are coordinating conjunctions. Else, otherwise, they have also divided these coordinating conjunctions, means various functions are given. You will not get such type of question where you have to underline this and mention whether it is cumulative or what type of conjunction. Is it okay? But still, let's discuss this. Page number 71, exercise A. Hopefully you can do it. Join the following sentences using appropriate coordinators. Suman was not well. She came for the program. Yet she still. Our zoo houses a panda. Nahin. It houses a koala. Both and, either or, both and, neither nor, not only, but also. These are also coordinating conjunctions. Our zoo houses both panda and a koala. Tomorrow is a holiday. Some people will be working. Tomorrow is a holiday, but some people will be working. Tomorrow is a holiday. You must finish your work today. Easy. I think you can do it yourself. Let's not spend time on this. Functions of coordinators, coordinating conjunctions. First thing for coordinators, see coordinating conjunctions. Keep this thing in your mind that we use these conjunctions to form compound sentences. Is it okay? Compound sentences where both the sentences are independent and of equal grammatical importance. Done. Second, subordinating or subordinators. These are used to join two clauses. And our main topic is clauses. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा वो ध्यान से सुनना. Functions. First is coordinators may simply join or add one statement to another. This is their work. That is, if they are doing simply joining the sentences like and, we usually use and for joining the sentences. Then cumulative coordinators. Then adversative, to show the contrast. We have the conjunctions that show contrast, but yet. And then alternative, when they give two alternatives, you can say choice. When we have choice, that time alternative conjunctions. And last, creative, they suggest reason. Okay, that's it. Abhi exercise दी हुई है, but in exams I don't think you will get such type of sentence or such type of question. Okay. Underline the coordinators. Type. They were excellent sportsmen, yet they could not dance. Yet, what do you think yet shows? Contrast. So it is adversative. My sister had a baby girl and the family was delighted. And just simply adding the statement information, cumulative. Jina stays fit for she cycles 5 kilometers every day. Elative, giving reason. The teachers were knowledgeable as well as dedicated. as well as adding information, cumulative. The task was not only difficult but also time consuming. But adversative. You may either take the dramatics class or join public speaking. Alternative. Now, subordinators. Subordinators, the conjunctions like although, though, because, that, who, what, where, when, before, after, any other if you remember. Since, although, though. Now for you have to check. Chalo. Because ये सारी चीजें ठीक है. Now subordinators join two clauses. Okay. Clauses. First thing, what are clauses? What are clauses? Group of words having finite verb, ठीक है, and subject. But this finite verb is important. Is it okay? Now, subordinate clause, we have one subordinate clause, other is subordinating clause and main clause, ठीक है, means dependent and independent clauses. So the subordinators, conjunctions, these conjunctions join two clauses or more than two clauses in which one clause is the main clause, the principal clause, or you can say the independent clause and other subordinating clause or dependent clause. Subordinators जो conjunctions हैं means because, although, though, even though, ये सारे इनका क्या काम है? They'll join two clauses, is it okay, in which one is main, other is dependent. Okay, that's all. And it is that way it is very easy to identify any clause. You just need to check the conjunction. Go for the conjunction. जहां से conjunction start हो रही है, you will come to know that from this part to whatever full stop or जो भी होगा, that this is your dependent clause. If you are able to identify the conjunction, is it okay? क्योंकि जो next chapter है, that is clauses. Okay, कोई doubt है? Coordinators join the sentences, basically compound sentences in which whatever they are joining, two or more sentences are of equal importance. Is it okay? Equal importance. कोई dependent नहीं है. But for subordinators, when they join the sentences, they join the conjunction clauses. One is main, other is dependent. जो कि अगर हम main हटा देंगे, the other part will not make any sense, or not make any means not complete sense. Is it okay? Huh? Sentences में लिखे आएंगे. Just choose. Even though I studied hard, comma, I was nervous on the day of the exam. In this, even though, this is the conjunction. Is it okay? So even though I studied hard, this is your subordinating clause. And subordinator means conjunction, even though is subordinator. This is conjunction. He will be allowed to go out after he finishes homework. Conjunction is after. Which conjunction? Which conjunction? Subordinating? Sure? Example देख के भी नहीं बता रहे कौन सी है. Do exercise C. Underline conjunction, state, coordinating or subordinating. First is although. जल्दी से बाकी कर लो. Hurry up, then we have to start the clauses. Conjunctions, ये अब तुम्हारे लिए, for you have to go for two types only. वो भूल जाओ, वो simple complex वाली ना, leave that. that was just a kind of introduction to teach you that we have one word conjunction also, two words also, group of words. Okay. Now you have to go for coordinating and subordinating. Don't have book? Done? Tomorrow you have to bring your books. Done? देखो किस हिसाब से आ रहा है. If so that in combination means in pair na, then that is subordinating. If only so, then it depends. पेयर में आ रहा है जैसे, हाँ पेयर में आएगा. एक तो तुम्हें कई कंजंक्शंस के लिए चेक करना पड़ेगा कि ये सबऑर्डिनेटिंग में जा रही है कि कोऑर्डिनेटिंग में जा रही है. हाँ. एक मेन क्लॉज, डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. बुक है नहीं है, बट हम इधर उधर देख के अपना टाइम जरूर पास कर रहे हैं. राइट खुशी? चलो खुशी, व्हाटएवर आई हैव सेड एक्सप्लेन जब तक ये एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं. व्हाटएवर आई हैव सेड. Subordinating conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, what are they? Hurry up. Start with conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Loudly. Words that join two sentences. Then compound. What compound? What were you doing when I was explaining? Looking here and there? Sushi, I'm asking something. Hurry up. What were you doing when I was explaining? I thought कि चलो इजी सा चैप्टर है, इसे 2 मिनट में खत्म करते हैं and then we'll start the main topic, that is clauses. So if you don't even know about conjunctions, it's like you don't even know ABC. So I cannot expect कि तुम sentences या words form कर पाओगे. How are you going to pass the exam? Again with your those isharas जो तुम कर रहे थे अभी बैठ के. Joint, simple joint sentences, equal importance. That's all. Mostly coordinating में आ रही हैं. Fan boys include for and ये सारी ठीक है. Then pair में जो है neither nor, either or, not only but also ठीक है. ये वाली भी आ रही हैं conjunctions. यहाँ से तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा. Gurkaran, conjunctions. Then no, या वही नहीं है ये. When I said that one is positive and the other is negative. Pulkit, you start explaining. Subordinating conjunctions where the sentence. Type. What do we call? कितने साल पहले करवाया था ये? यस. कितने साल पुरानी बात है गुरकरण? सेकंड में बताया था ये. 8 तक आते आते भूल गए.